guys. Before I start, I just want to mention that I have a schedule for posting video, and I'll be posting new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So let's begin with our video. Hey guys, well, what's this? Hi, today we will do a fidget club starting at 8. Please take a bag or basket to put your fidgets. Whoa, a fidget club? This seems so interesting, and I also have this bag with me to put in my fidgets. Whoa. The fidget club starting now. Press here to join. Okay. Whoa, guys, I think I'm in the game. Wait, what is this? Schedule fidget hunting from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Fidget trading from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Making our own fidget from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So let's go fidget hunting. Let's take our bag and let's find some fidgets. Guys, I've been walking for like a while now, and I can't seem to be finding any. Wait, what's that? Oh my goodness, that's an octopus poppet. Let's put this into our bag. And let's find more. Wait, a mini poppet keychain? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Let's put it over here. Here. Wait, what's that? Oh my goodness. And it's color changing. This is so cool. Wait, there's another fidget. Oh, also color changing. Let's walk more. Wait, what's that? Oh my goodness. And there's also a DNA ball. Let's put these into our bag. Okay, so let's put these into our bag. And let's go fidget hunting. More fidget hunting. Let's keep our bag over here. Guys, I just joined the fidget club, and the schedule's over here, which is fidget hunting 1 hour, and we still have like 20 minutes, so let's go and steal other people's fidgets. Oh my goodness, there's a bag. And there's even fidgets. I'm gonna take this. Okay, I just got a bag full of fidgets, and nobody will never gonna notice. guys, I wasn't able to find any fidgets, so let's go to our bag. Our bag. Where did our bag go? This is not good. I have to tell the fidget police. Fidget police, how may I help you? A guy just stole a bag full of my fidgets. Oh no, this is not good. I have to ban the scammers so they will learn a lesson. Thank you. You're welcome. I can't believe it was that easy just to take all of their fidgets. Whoa, what is this? Hi there, you have been banned from the fidget station and the fidget club due to stealing fidgets. The fidget you stole are now going back to the original owner. Press here to exit. What? I'm banned from the trading station and the fidget club? Well, I guess I learned my lesson now. I'll just leave. Well, guys, I still wasn't able to find my bag full of fidgets. Oh my goodness, they're all back. Well, I think the time is up now, so let's go fidget trading. Okay, guys, I'm back at the trading station, so let's trade. I think I'm gonna trade. Which one? I think I'm gonna trade this one since I have the same thing. Trading color changing stress ball, going once, going twice. Oh my goodness me, that's my dream fidget. I'll offer you all of these poppets. That's nice, but why are you giving me so much just for the stress ball? So because I give you all of these poppets just for that stress ball, it's because this is the most legendary stress ball in the trading station. Could you add like a simple dimple and a triple dimple? That's also one of my dreams, so it would mean a lot. Sure thing, I'll be right back. Okay guys, now let's try and find a triple dimple. Oh my goodness, there's a triple dimple. Wait, what's that? It looks like a simple dimple. Yes, it is a simple dimple. Let me go back. Hi, I got the simple dimple and the triple dimple now. Can you please accept? Sure, I'll accept. Guys, look at how many we got. Let's put this into our bag. So I'll see you when I'm done putting these into my bag. Okay guys, so I think the time is up, so let's go to make our own fidgets. Hey guys, okay guys, so I just arrived here. So I'm thinking on making a red paper squishy, but it's not like any like chips or something. It's just a basic one, like just color, no. It's not a rainbow or something, so yeah, so please don't hate on me. Anyways, I'll see you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back and here's the paper squishy. It's not very nice and it's very basic, like very, very basic. So once again, please don't hate on me. And now let's put this into our bag. Overall, this is a really great day at the trading station, so I'll be seeing you guys and bye.